WULF stock analysis price predictions for Monday, that is 18th of August and onwards, is my Terawulf ticker a buy. Let's talk about it now. Generally speaking, having done well over 45,000 videos and 5 years of experience, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Like, needless to say, it's a proper bullish market. Now, because I've just recently gotten the long that I want it, right? And it hasn't just begun right here when it was $5. It began very early when it was 355 with my longs that I called out. Here is the proof even. It was 352 at the time. I was only aiming for like 420, 425-ish, but it just nicely delivered. And this one, it was even better. It was so nice. It was 508, 7 days ago, right? It was very nice. And since we've delivered, all I just hope I see is the price to come down yet again and give me the confirmation. Now, if it doesn't do that, then guess what? I'm not going to sit here and just look for random longs. But yeah, I do have a bunch of receipts in the Discord with about, put it, 11 receipts, you know. And if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, then just click the first link in the description and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye.